What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how gaming runs on the Coolpad Legacy from PUBG Mobile. Stay tuned. Yo, what's up everybody? Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. We have Temple Run 2, we have Asphalt 8, and we have PUBG Mobile set up for you guys. So we're starting off from least graphic intensive to most graphic intensive, if you guys did not see that already. Now, a lot of people were asking me about this device and they want me to make more videos, so I'm going to be making a ton more videos on the Coolpad Legacy this week, as far as some other devices. But let's go ahead and start off with Temple Run 2, go on to Asphalt 8, and finish it off with PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and start this off. Now guys, keep in mind this has 3 GB of RAM and a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. Also, something I've been loving so far is the screen. This is going to be a full HD plus screen, 6.4 inches nearly, so a really nice big screen for anybody who likes that out there. I know a lot of people love the big screen phones. So this is definitely going to be for you if you like big screen phones. Speakers are also very loud and clear on this device. They are better than the LG Stylo 4. Now, the LG Stylo 4 speakers were a bit tinny, but these ones are much clearer. Very clear speakers on this device. So far though, this is running perfectly, and we're going to see how far we can get on this. Also, if you guys are scared about the viewing angles on this device, the viewing angles on this device are great. They're perfect. As you guys saw, I was turning right there. We do have perfect viewing angles from any, side of the phone, so really awesome stuff to see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right there, but as you guys see, Temple Run 2 ran absolutely perfect on this device. The graphics look amazing. It's running at a perfect frame rate. It looks really good, no glitches or anything or hiccups. So yeah, Temple Run 2 passed the test. Next game we're moving on to is Asphalt 8 Airborne. Now, this game is basically a racing game. This is much more graphic intensive than Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 is kind of like a flash game. This is a full-fledged video game. So we're going to go ahead and try this out, show you how it works, and see if it plays well. Alright, so we have Asphalt 8 booting up right now. Let's go ahead and see how this runs. So as you guys see so far, it's running pretty great. Alright guys, so we got first, ran great on here, definitely is runnable. You guys can go ahead and play multiplayer on this as well, but runs super good on the Coolpad Legacy. Alright guys, so the last game we're going to be playing on this device is PUBG Mobile. So Temple Run 2 and Asphalt 8 ran perfectly on the Coolpad Legacy. Now I know a huge question everyone's going to be asking themselves right now is the phone hot? The phone is actually not hot. The phone did not heat up. This does have a plastic back, but I don't feel any heat anywhere around the phone, anywhere around the camera, back of the phone, front of the phone, nowhere. There is no heat after playing a game of Temple Run 2 and Asphalt 8. Now, I'm going to give you an update after PUBG Mobile, but so far, it's actually been keeping a very cool temperature. So, last game, let's go ahead and play PUBG Mobile, see how this runs. Alright everyone, so the graphics it set us at is smooth and medium, so we're going to be playing on smooth, medium, and classic, just so you guys know. And we're going to go ahead and start this game off. Alright everyone, so we're jumping off now. We're going to try to find a gun, obviously, see how this runs. But so far, the graphics aren't amazing. And they do take a little time to load, but it's running okay, it's running smooth. So a little bit of choppiness right there, as you guys saw. Still seeing a bit of choppiness, but we're gonna get into the game and see what happens. Okay, it seems like everything's smoothed out now, which is great after we dropped, so really good to see that. Still not really having any heating issues, which is great as well. Next thing we're going to be trying is driving in this game, using this little buggy right here. And seeing how this runs. So everything looks really good so far. The graphics do take a little bit more time to load than some flagship devices, obviously, and some other mid-rangers. But it's actually playing quite smoothly right now, and I'm pretty impressed by Coolpad, considering that the last device that I saw from them was a Coolpad, I believe, Catalyst. So yeah, Legacy is definitely impressing me so far. Let's go ahead and try a boat out now and see if we can find some action. Haven't found anything yet. Haven't found anyone, rather, to shoot yet, so we're gonna go ahead and see what's up. Let's go and drive this boat though. So the boat seems to be driving good. It looks like we have an enemy right there. Let's go and try to get this enemy real quick. Alright, so we got a kill. It was glitching a tiny bit right there, but we did get that kill. So that's always good. Let's go and check what this dude has. He has a helmet. Take a scar. And let's dip. We have another enemy right here. Got 2 kills. Awesome. Another enemy right here. He's down. Dead. Alright guys, so update on the temperature meter. It did get a little bit warmer. Now it's not super hot because I have used some devices that were insanely hot. But yeah, just a little bit warmer. It might get a little bit warmer later on, so I'll definitely update you on that. But it did get a little bit warmer than it was before we started playing this game. Is the game crashing? The game might crash right now, actually. Okay, we're back in. Awesome. The game was like, it did some weird loading thing that happens sometimes when you're playing online. It might not be due to this phone, but rather playing online. So hopefully that's the case and that doesn't happen again. But I'll definitely update you if I see that happening again. Oh, wow. Okay, so injured by the bombs. We're going to go ahead and stop it right here, though. My hands are sweating a tiny bit since it did get a little bit warmer. But this game ran decently. It is playable on the Coolpad Legacy, so just know that. I got a few kills, as you guys can see. All of the vehicles that we used on the water and on land were working perfectly. So yeah, this game is definitely playable on the Coolpad Legacy. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. Now, all of the games that I did run on this device ran pretty well. If you guys want me to try anything else on this device, I will make separate videos for separate games. So definitely put it in the comments down below. But hopefully you guys have a great day wherever you are. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.